Welcome to a tour of the Orthon Palace Hotel in Copacabana. This hotel is one of the largest and most centrally located hotels in all of Copacabana, and I stayed here a couple weeks ago. It has 579 rooms and is rated a 4-star hotel and has amenities to match that. We're going to start off with room 2008 on the 20th floor. This was my room for this day. We asked for a single bed, but they gave us two small twins. I think that's just how Brazil is. But the views were outstanding. Super nice to have fresh air coming in. You're hearing the waves, hearing the sound of the ocean. It was honestly wonderful. The amenities were a little old, but it's fine. For what we were expecting, it was good. The Wi Fi struggled a little bit, but otherwise, no complaints there. The hotel is centrally located on Copacabana Beach. You can see it from any point on the beach. It's actually really nice when you go for morning runs. One great amenity of it is that across the street on the beach, there's a restaurant that's owned by the hotel called Wade's. They have beach towels, beach chairs, umbrellas for you, and you can order food and drinks. It makes the experience of going to Copacabana Beach much easier. One of the key amenities that everybody takes advantage of is the morning breakfast. You see everybody in the hotel there, oftentimes the same people sitting at similar chairs, and it's a good way to fill up and plan for the day. One of the highlights is the recently redone rooftop pool. I think it's the highest infinity pool in all of Copacabana and was a very popular spot. There's a rooftop bar right here that's popular, and then in a second, we're going to show you the rooftop restaurant that's very fancy. In addition, there's a steam room and sauna, kids' play area. This is a very common place for people to go if they want to enjoy Copacabana, enjoy the views, but don't want to experience it from the crowded beach across the way. Hopefully this video is helpful in you understanding your trip to Copacabana. I recommend staying at this hotel. This is my first hotel review and I appreciate your support.